Okay, welcome back. In today's lecture, we will be, going through another very important landmark judgment of our Honorable Supreme Court in the Justice case Puttaswamy, retired versus Union of India, and others, 2017. It was the nine judges bench, and but before you proceed in this judgment, I just suggest you to go and check the playlist wherein I was explaining the ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla. So there we had actually discussed article 20 and 21. The dictum was changed after the 44th amendment act, wherein it was stated that the article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended even during the emergency. So but I just prefer I just give you the suggestion that you go and listen that judgment, so that this one can be easily you can better understand this judgment then only. So now I just move with the Justice case Puttaswamy, retired versus Union of India. So in the present case, actually, this is also called the right to privacy judgment. Okay, and this was the key. This is the actually case wherein ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla is overruled. Okay, now the apex court overruled the majority view expressed in the ADM Jabalpur case, and held also the view taken by, in the ADM Jabalpur case, the dissenting opinion of Honorable Justice HR Khanna was there. So now in the present case of Justice case Puttaswamy, right to privacy, the Honorable Justice HR Khanna view is now accepted. So now see the landmark judgment of the Supreme Court of India, which holds that right to privacy is protected as a fundamental constitutional right under Article 9, 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. The judgment was interpreted as a paving the way for the eventual decriminalizing the homosexuality in India in the Navtesh Singh Johar versus Union of India 2018 also, and abolishing the provisions pertaining to crime of adultery under the Indian legal system in the case of Joseph Shine versus Union of India 27 September 2018. So you can also listen this Joseph Shine versus Union of India in the playlist also. I have already made this explained well in these two judgments. Okay, so now nine judges bench of the Supreme Court has unanimously delivered its judgment in the Justice case Puttaswamy versus Union of India, by holding that the privacy is a constitutionally protected, okay, and constitutionally protected right actually, and which not only emerges from the guarantee of life and personal liberty under Article 21. You please go and read Article 21. Life and personal liberty means no person can be deprived of his life and personal liberty except with the procedure laid down by law. Means by making the procedure we can do so, otherwise not. Okay, so but also arises by varying context from the other facets of freedom and the dignity recognized and guaranteed by the fundamental right contained in the part 3rd of the Indian Constitution. So actually here it is inferred, it can be inferred that not only the Article 21, Article 14, Article 19, so we can make the golden triangle. These are called the golden triangle, 14, 19, 21. So they are intermingled with each other, they are intertwined with each other. So if you will touch one article, other article will automatically be hampered. So whenever any law is made, whenever anything is done, these should be in consonance or in conformity with these articles. Even whole there, you go to the Constitution and you will find that the whole of the part 3rd is to be given the due consideration. Okay, so here Article 21, there is a widening of the horizon of Article 21. In the recent times we find that our custodian, our protector of Constitution, guardian, that is the Honorable Supreme Court of India, interprets the law, and now we see that there is a widening of Article 21. Horizon is now more and more broader and broader. Right to privacy is a part of Article 21. Okay, and you see right to not only this one, even right to sleep. There is a loud, not to use the loudspeaker after 10 p.m. So no, so many things can be there in the article 21. So here we find that in the present case, in the this Justice KS Puttaswamy judgment also has overruled two more decisions earlier, that is the MP Sharma versus Satish Chandra, District Magistrate, Delhi, 1954, which was an 8 judges bench decision, and another was the Khadak Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, which was rendered by the bench of 6 judges. So in both the cases, it was held that Indian Constitution does not specifically protect the right to privacy. So now the dictum is by the virtue of Justice KS Puttaswamy, that it is implicit, means right to privacy is there under article, it is there under article, it can be, it is implicit from article 21. So it is guaranteed by the virtue of article 21 actually. So this judgment is very important. This is also called the Aadhaar judgment. Okay, Aadhaar judgment. And throughout the judgment we had used a word which is called the procedure established by law. And now I want to explain a little bit about it, where what do you mean by the procedure established by law and the due process of law. So the procedure established by law actually have been taken from the Japanese constitution. Okay, so it is stated that whenever any law is made, so by the making any procedure, right can be curtailed. Okay, this is what called the procedure established by law. So without making law, no one can curtail. Now in the present times, we are, by observing the judgments of our honorable Supreme Court of India, we find that today we are now moving, we are shifting our thought process from the procedure established by law towards the due process of law. The due process of law is a concept from the American Constitution, wherein whenever any law is made by the legislature, it should not only be just and fair, means it should it should give the due regard to the fundamental rights also, it should give the due regards to the life and liberty also. Means what I am saying is that whenever any law is made, it should be just and the fair. Okay, and also it should be subject to the judicial review also. So what is the difference here is that in the procedure established by law, which talks about that by making the law we can simply deprived of, but in the case of due process of law, you can make the law, but it should be just, fair and reasonable. Okay, it should not be arbitrary, and it is further subject to the judicial review. So this is very beautiful. And now the dictum, as we are reading, we find that we are moving on to the due process of law, which is from the American Constitution, and the procedure established by law have been taken from where, that is the Japanese Constitution. So till now we have also covered this important judgment of Justice KS Puttaswamy versus Union of India, and ADM Jabalpur in the previous lecture we had covered. So I think both these points are very much clear to you. The point to remember in the case of ADM Jabalpur versus Shivkant Shukla is that the 44th Amendment Act. Okay, because in the ADM Jabalpur, the petitioner who moved to the Supreme Court regarding whether they have the locus standi or not to go to the courts of law at the time of the emergency. So the dictum was in the case of ADM Jabalpur that they cannot do so. Okay, and their right, there was suspension of their right, they cannot go to the courts of law, and the Preventive Detention Act was declared to be perfectly valid and constitutional. So it was totally, people were really aggrieved because so many leaders were behind the bar at that point of time during the emergency. So when the government changed the article, 44th Amendment Act came into existence, and by the virtue of this amendment, the Article 20 and 21 were declared means Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended even during the emergency. And this is the ADM Jabalpur, very important regarding the life and liberty. So with this note, I just want to say that we have covered this judgment also. and life and liberty part is, I think, over. You can also read the I have also mentioned the Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India judgment here, and AK Gopalan case also. So check the playlist. I will be uploading soon very important landmark judgments, okay, on daily basis. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Stay connected, and God bless.